What's up, friends? Welcome back to the channel. It's Thursday, June 26th, and we are at Home Depot. I'm bringing you 50 of the hottest deals here at Home Depot that you can't miss. These 4th of July deals are limited time offers, and some of them are already flying off the shelves. Let's not waste any time and get on with the video. And right up front, we do have a nice display of Husky items. Starting the video off in the number one spot from Husky, we have their folding lock back utility knife. Fantastic reviews. Pretty sweet little knife here. Now it does have that quick blade change mechanism. That's for easy and safe blade changes. Has the thumb studs for easy one-hand opening. And today, a fantastic price at $7.97. And then to my left, also from Husky, once again, we have their 25-foot tape measure. Now these are 1/8 of an inch wide. They also have that high contrast printing on them, which I like because it makes it easier to read. Now they also have that soft rubber cover on the outside, super comfortable. Now if you don't like the 25-foot, that's okay. They also have the 16-foot on sale for $7.97. Now the 25-foot, a little bit of a better deal, but these are going for $9.97. And moving down just a little bit more, we also have the 12-inch Husky zippered tool bag. Now it does have 4 pockets that are zippered. Pretty small little compact tool bag. This is a little guy here. It's 12 by 7 inches. Now this tool bag has the dual zippered as the main compartment. And check out that price, $14.98. Not bad. Let me pull up this bag so you can get a better look at it. It's small, it's compact, easy to carry. Pretty awesome here. Also has that wide mouth opening that everybody loves. And we also have the screwdriver set on sale as well. Now this is a pretty cool set here. It's a 12-piece screwdriver set. Awesome price here. Lifetime warranty from Husky. Fantastic price. Now I do like this set. Screwdrivers, I'm always losing left and right. You don't need to buy the best. Here it is, $19.97. And moving on to our next segment, probably my favorite out of today's video, we have the Scrub Daddy up next. We're looking at their Barbecue Daddy. This is their accessory caddy. Pretty cool little gadget here. I do like the concept of it. The design is okay. You know, I do like it a lot. You can hold the paper towels. You can put all the condiments in it. It can hold your grill brush. Pretty cool little gadget here. A little bit on the expensive side, but if I were to receive this as a gift, I would be very grateful. I like the item. I'm not too sure about the price yet. That's to be continued. But to my right, this item is awesome from Scrub Daddy as well. This is their Barbecue Daddy. This is their bristle-free grill brush. Now this is a pretty awesome brush here. I did buy mine from Costco, a little bit better price at Costco because you do get more for your money, but this is fantastic. $24.98. Definitely a good buy here. Both of them pretty cool, you know. I do like them both. Now next up, we have the Boom. This is the 8-unit organic fire starter. Another great deal here. This is from Jealous Devil. This is their fire starters. Now you do get 8 in total here. Super easy to use. Just light them up. $4.97. And we're supposed to be having fun this video, but look at this party pooper right in front of us. A 3-pack of utility knives for $12.98. What is Home Depot thinking? Even better, what am I thinking showing this in my video today? But if you're here and you want to make the donation, you can grab this 3-pack for $12.98. But let's move on, friends, because right around the corner, we have another new item from Scrub Daddy. We're looking at the Barbecue Daddy Griddle Brush. Now, pretty cool little brush here. Makes another fantastic gift as well. You can pick this up for $24.98. And if you are new to the channel, friends, and you do enjoy this type of content, make sure you subscribe to our channel. If you're already subscribed and you're enjoying this video so far, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button. Leave us a comment below if you're enjoying the video as of now. Also, straight ahead, you can see the charcoal on sale. Now, in today's video, you get the 2-pack of charcoal. 2-pack, 16 pounds each bag, so that means 32 pounds in total. Now the original price was about $19, $20, and today it's down to $17.88. A 4th of July special here. Now this is the Kingsford, the original, 100% natural ingredients, $17.88. Straight ahead, we can see the Weber also on sale. Let's go check that one out. Straight out of their 4th of July flyer, we have their Jumbo Joe. This is their premium 22-inch. This is their charcoal grill in black. Looks pretty awesome. Amazing reviews. If you haven't cooked with charcoal, you're definitely missing out. This is a fantastic price. Not bad at all for $99. This is an excellent grill. I do like it a lot myself. Has a stainless steel grates. Let me open it up for you. As you can see there, pretty awesome grill. Very, very good. Now it has amazing reviews, 22 inches in total, and you can pick this up for $99. One of Home Depot's best sellers right in front of us. Look at the size of that price sign. Must be something great. Right in front of us from Waterworks, we have the contractor grade hose, 100 feet in length, 5/8 of an inch thick for $29.98. Not a bad price, but the only issue is, how are the reviews? Because if this hose bursts on you and you have to return it, these are such a pain to roll up and bring back to the depot. Now, you do have to compare the reviews. What I like to do is I like to compare the 5-star versus the 1-star. So I like to compare the amount. So if you have 100 5-star and you have something similar like 90 1-star, it's a hard pass for me. Right below from Suncast, now you can hold up to 175 feet of hose in this manual hose reel, and you can grab it for only $34.98. Right behind us, we do have a pretty good deal. This is from Ortho, their home defense, their insect killer for 12 months, 1 gallon, and you get the wand for only $9.97. Not a bad deal. It's better than buying the 2-pack. You can pick this up for $9.97, 1 gallon, and like I said, it does come with the wand, which is great. And then to my right, we do have a nice display from HDX. Let's check these out. We have the microfiber cloth rolls. Now, these are kind of like paper towels, except microfiber. These are great. You do get a 50 count. They're 12-inch by 12-inch. Perfect for your car, for your home, any cleaning jobs you have to do. This is great, $9.98. And you do get a 50 count per roll. So that's a pretty good deal here. Now, right up above, we have the microfiber towels. If you do prefer this instead. Now, these are multicolored. They're also 16 by 16. You do get a 24 count in total per package, $9.98. You can choose between either or just grab one of each. And just down the display, we also have the O-Cedar spin mop and bucket. Pretty awesome little gadget here. I do own it. All you got to do is insert the mop in the bucket. You tap on that pedal and it'll spin it dry, which is pretty cool. Now, the mop is microfiber, which is great. The only issue is the mop is a little bit on the smaller side. I do own it. I do like it. $34.97. And don't forget about the trash bags to my right, a 200 count from HDX. These are $17.97. We also have the 2-inch spring clamps for only 99 cents each. This is from Anvil. And then to my right, we have a ton of appliances on sale for the 4th of July. We should go over a couple of those deals right now. Now, I can't show you every appliance deal in today's video, but I am going to show you the top 2 sellers from GE. We have a 20.6 cubic feet counter depth French door refrigerator. Now, if you buy more, you're going to save more. If you buy 2, you save $150. If you buy 3, you're going to save $300. And if you buy 4 appliances, you're going to save $600. And when it comes to expensive purchases, always read the reviews, just like we did with the contractor hose. Compare the 5-star versus the 1-star. Read the reviews, $1,598. And we also have the Samsung up next for the same exact price, except this refrigerator, it's not a counter depth, but it is quite large. They're mega capacity at 31 cubic feet. This is a massive refrigerator. It's a French door. If you need a lot of space, you have a big family, this is a very big refrigerator. External water and ice dispenser as well. Same price at $1,598 even. Except for me, I'm not a huge Samsung fan when it comes to appliances. We also have the Laurel Oaks. This is their 7-piece outdoor patio dining set. It comes with cushions. Pretty awesome deal for $500. But if you have a Costco membership, wait till you see my deal tomorrow. We have some pretty amazing patio deals, so stay tuned for that. But this is a fantastic deal as well, so don't be fooled. Pretty nice little deal here. If you're looking for something inexpensive when it comes to a patio set, you don't feel like shopping at Marketplace, that's a pretty good deal. Up next from Rust-Oleum, this is a great buy as well. This is their turbo spray system. Check out the size of that can, 4 times faster. It has a turbo tip on it. A great deal here. Each can, they have the white and the black at my local Home Depot, $15.98 each. Now, these are pretty cool right in front of us from Damp Rid. These are $11.97. If you have a certain area in your house, maybe a shed, maybe a basement, garage, and you do get a lot of moisture in that area, you can hang these up if you're storing any kind of clothing or anything in general. It does attract and trap moisture, so that way it doesn't grow mold and mildew. Pretty nice little product here, especially if you have clothes. If you're storing like winter clothes or summer clothes, $11.97. We also have the very popular Ryobi fan back on sale again. We saw this in my last Home Depot video. This is why I like the Ryobi lineup. I like their battery lineup. They have so many creative tools here. This is another great price. Now, this Ryobi fan, it comes with the battery and charger. That's why it's $99 on sale right in front of us. Pretty cool. Now, also, you can get the smaller one, the clamp fan, for $49.97. Both of them are a pretty good buy here. Also back on sale again, we have the Valley Forge American flags. Now we have the 5-footers and we got the 6-footers. They have these at Costco as well, but Costco doesn't have the 5-footers, and I do like the wood pole. $17.76 for the 5-footers. Pretty awesome price. For those of you who don't know, July 4th, 1776, the Declaration of Independence. That's what it stands for. Also, the 6-footers right in front of us. Now these are pretty awesome. $49.98 for the 6-footers. And then directly behind them, we do have the firm grip gloves. Now these do come in a 12-pack, $9.88 for a 12-pack. Not a bad deal as well. Moving right down the aisle, let's see what else we can find. And we also have the Ryobi pressure washer on sale. Now this one right in front of us, it's small, it's compact, 1900 PSI, pretty decent reviews. I'm just not a huge Ryobi fan when it comes to pressure washers. I prefer the Greenworks, but this one is $149. If you like Greenworks like I do, I did show a fantastic one on Amazon the other day for 1800 PSI. That one was going for $119. A greater savings, not a bad price. For $119, you can pick up the Greenworks over the Ryobi. I will leave a link to the Greenworks in the comments section. I'll also leave a link to my Amazon video at the end of this video if you want to watch it. We also have the gutter blower attachment, like I was saying earlier. Ryobi has some really creative products. That's why I do like their battery lineup. They have a lot of interesting products that they do come out with. And they also coming out with the battery deal here. When you buy the batteries, you get one free tool. We'll go over that in just a moment. And for just $200, you can grab this Ultimate Combo Toolkit right in front of us. It's a 6-tool kit. You get 1.5 amp battery and a 4 amp battery. Comes with the charger, comes with a bag. You get the drill, you get the impact driver, a circular saw, a sawzall, the multi-tool, an LED flashlight. All this for only $200. Pretty awesome deal. I do like that a lot. Not a bad price at all. And this is what I'm talking about. Right around the corner, if you buy their starter kit, their battery starter kit from Ryobi, which is a 2 amp and a 4 amp battery that comes with a charger, you get one free tool, but you do have to buy the battery kit. And you can choose between any one of those tools. If you buy the battery kit, you get one free tool. Pretty awesome deal here. This is the battery kit, what it looks like. 18 volts, so you get 2 batteries, you get the charger, and then you get to choose one free tool. And now you can go online, you can have a look at yourself. Also, friends, I am going to leave a link to the July 4th coupon book in the comments section as well. Now this little set is pretty awesome as well. You get the drill, you get the impact driver, you get a nice tool bag, and you get 2 batteries. Each battery is 1.5 amps. But check out the price, not bad at all for only $99. If you don't have a drill or impact driver, it's a great buy. And we definitely have a huge variety of Ryobi tools right up front. So many different tools to choose from. And a lot of stuff is definitely selling here. You can see the Ryobi blower up next right in front of us. Another great buy. You buy the batteries, you get the blower for free. Not a bad little deal here. Now, if you don't have this tool and you need a blower in your household, or maybe you definitely need some more Ryobi batteries for your lineup, this is a great buy. You can also grab that cordless vacuum as well. Pretty sweet little deal here. Right behind me, we also have a nice paint roller set here. So if you're going to do some painting in your household, definitely check out this paint roller set. It's only $12.98. The only thing is they put the sign all the way at the very top. So give me 1 second. Let me film that for you so you can check out that price. Not a bad little deal for $12.98. Another massive sign here at the depot. What else do we have here? And let's not forget about the Milwaukee deal that has been selling out. We have the M18 combo kit. It's a 7-tool kit. So what exactly do we get with this kit? You get the 1/2-inch drill, you get the 1/4-inch driver, you get the sawzall, you get the 6.5-inch circular saw, you get the grinder, you get the multi-tool, you get a nice LED work light, you get 2 batteries, you get the charger, and they even give you a nice contractor bag. All this for only $499. If you're looking to get into the Milwaukee lineup, this is a great buy. If you want to stick with DeWalt, we have a nice kit from DeWalt as well. And if you do prefer the DeWalt for $500, same price, you can pick up this one. This is their Tough System that comes with 6 cordless tools. So you get the Tough System, the toolbox, you get the circular saw, you get the impact driver, you get the drill, the multi-tool, the grinder. And what I like about this kit, you get a nice orbital sander, which is nice. No LED flashlight, that's not really needed in my opinion. But for $500, nice buy here. And if you didn't know, I also put out every week some of the best deals on Amazon, and these deals do sell out very quickly. I have no sponsors, so everything I put out, I do have to manually search. I did have this DeWalt deal on my Amazon video as well from T-Stack. We have their 13-inch toolbox, a fantastic buy for $20. If you missed out on that deal, you can grab it here at the depot as well for $19.98. And I do have one more Ryobi tool for you, a bestseller right in front of us. Their 40-volt brushless lawnmower. This is 20 inches, comes with a 6 amp battery and charger. They do claim it has up to 45 minutes of runtime, and it has amazing reviews. Now keep in mind, friends, this lawnmower is not self-propelled, so keep that in mind, but you can pick it up for $299 even. And headed back to the depot right in front of us, we do have a nice mechanic tool set. I don't know why I'm standing back so far. Let me get right in there. This is a 270-piece mechanic tool set, a fantastic tool set with a lifetime warranty. If you're looking to get someone a nice gift or you need a mechanic tool set in your household, this price is pretty great. $119 for a 270-piece. Now it comes with a little toolbox as well, so that's a great buy. And then right behind the mechanics toolbox, we have the hex key set. This is an 18-piece set going for $19.97. Great price. We also have the socket set to my left. That's a 7-piece hex bit set going for $14.97. Pretty nice deals here. To my left, we have the ratchet screwdriver. This makes a great present. This is our 12-in-1 ratchet screwdriver. A pretty nice little present here. If you don't have this, this is a great tool to have in your toolbox. We also have the Husky tape measurement. We saw earlier the 25-footer. So the ratchet screwdriver goes for $16.97. The tape measurement, the 25-footer, $9.97. The 16-footer goes for $7.97. We have this 4-piece clamp set right here with the trigger clamps. These are going for $19.88, a great buy. We also have the mini pliers to my left. We get a 3-piece of mini pliers. And then to my left again, we have the 3-piece wrench set as well. Both of these are great buys. Now the mini pliers, $13.97. The wrench set, $23.97. We also have the toolbox as well. We got the lockable utility knife we saw earlier. And then we have the kneeling pad at the very end, $14.88. We've seen that before. And then right around the corner, we've seen the ratchet straps. We all seen the ones at Costco on sale from Cat. I bought those. I hate them. I'm going to return them. I wish I can return them. I don't know. Maybe I will return them. Definitely grab these Huskies instead. These come in a 4-pack. They're 12 feet, $9.97. That's a great buy. We also have the 3-pack of tote bags. This is an excellent buy for $29.98. You get the 3-pack here. Look at that awesome set here for only $29.88. A fantastic gift, a fantastic buy. Moving right down, we have some other tools available. We also have this pretty awesome screwdriver set. So if you didn't like the one earlier, check out this one from Husky. This is another great buy. This is a 22-piece, and you can grab this one for $29.97. Another great buy here at the depot. And we do have a couple of more great online deals I want to share. We have the 4-shelf Husky. This is their industrial garage store shelving. Now check out this price, $200. Now it does support up to $2,500 per shelf. That's a lot of weight. This is a very, very heavy duty shelving system. It's also super heavy, so make sure you grab a friend to load it up or just have it shipped right to your house. You can grab this for $199. And for the 4th of July, Weber has a deal of their own. We have the Spirit E325. This is their 3-burner liquid propane grill. A little bit on the expensive side, $50 savings. Not the greatest, not the worst. Nothing special in my opinion. But here it is on sale, $4.99 even. And we do got one more for you from Simple Green. We have their 1-gallon concentrate, their all-purpose cleaner. That does come in a 2-pack here. You can grab both of them for only $16.38. All right, friends, end of the video here. If you did enjoy today's video and you do enjoy this type of content, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Hopefully you did enjoy my 4th of July deals here at the Home Depot. If you did, drop a comment below. Let me know your thoughts. Hopefully everyone enjoyed today's video. A little late tonight, but tomorrow we're going to have Costco clearance. Hopefully I'll get that video out a lot sooner than I did tonight. I'll see you tomorrow, friends, with another video. Peace.